क्या आप भी इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली बोलना चाहते हैं? डू यू ऑल्सो वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज फ्लुएंटली? इफ द आंसर इज yes, then this video is only for you, my friends. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can learn English language and how did I learn English language. You might be wondering, right, that how did she learn English language? Because she is from village area, so how come she can speak this language? My friend, I noticed many people, they could speak English language, they could speak many languages, I would say. So I got one question, that how did they do it? How did they learn many languages? And here I am unable to learn English language. So then I found one thing that was common, that it's also a language. What did I think about this language? I thought this is also a language, it's not a subject, you know. So if it is the language, then we can learn the way we learn other languages, right? And many of you may be able to speak many languages, I think more than 3-4 languages, right? So don't think that it is very difficult to speak English language, because ultimately it's also a language, right? We can learn the way we are learning other languages, right? So I found that if we want to learn any languages, we need to create environment. Yes, you heard me right. So how can we create environment? First thing, we should listen every single day. Do you listen English? I'm asking this question to you. Do you listen every day without any gap? If the answer is yes, then that's great, because you are on the way. Very soon you will learn this language. My friends, I told you that if anyone wants to speak this language, they should start from listening. You should listen without gap each and every day, right? So I started listening, okay, as a beginner, because I was also like you. मैं भी आपके जैसी थी. I didn't know how to speak anything. I didn't know as a beginner, but now I can speak this language, right? So how did I do it? I started listening. I started creating environment. There is one thing that is very challenging in case of us. As a villager, I found that we don't have environment. It's very difficult to create environment, but nowadays it's possible. And how it's possible? Because of social media. Because of social media, a lot of things have become easy, you know. So if you want to create environment, use social media. Try to watch many videos on YouTube. Try to text your friends in English language instead of in your mother tongue, you know. I did it. I switched many a thing. I used to text in Hindi, then I started texting in English, and the switch was not very easy, you know. It was awkward, it was full of challenges, but I did it. I started leaving the voice messages also, you know. It was hard. I told you that everything was hard initially, but when I started doing it, now I do it. It has become routine, it has become habit. So if you want to learn English language, first thing, what are you going to do? You are going to listen, right? And then start reading. I always insist for reading, because see, when it comes to other languages, we can learn. But when it comes to English language, we cannot learn it very easy way, because we don't have environment, right? So we should create. And there are a lot of ways to create environment. First is listening, reading, talking to people, watching videos, right? These all are the things that we can create environment, because God hasn't given us the environment. That is why it's our responsibility to create it at our home. And once we create the environment, it will be easy to learn English language. My friend, I told you one thing, that people, they treat this language not as a language, they treat it as a subject. But I think this is wrong mentality. We should treat it as a language, then it will be little easier for us, right? So if we think it's a subject, then many people, they think that this is difficult subject. No, my friend, it's a language. and any language can be spoken if you try hard, right? So this is what, and actually what happened, 2 days I tried to record my video on Thursday, and even yesterday also I came out of my home to record my video, but what happened, I found that people, they were playing music very loudly, you know. So it was hard for me. I kept waiting, and I had to return at my home without recording any video. Actually I recorded many video, but I could hear in background people, they were playing music. So that is why I couldn't record any video for 2 days, and I was missing, because I feel connected if I keep posting my videos, and if people, they learn something from my video, and I learn when people, they comment, when they find out my mistakes, and also I learn, okay. But I couldn't do it, and I was regretting, but it was the situation, I would say. I didn't have chance to go away because it was evening time. I could not go far away. I was actually in my garden, but from my home, from garden, from everywhere, uh, I could listen music, you know. When I was going at my home, so one side people, they were playing very loudly some music, because procession was going on, marriage procession, okay. Other side people, they were doing plowing related work, I mean they were cultivating the field and all. So tractor drivers, they were playing music very loudly, and that is why I thought not to record it. So this is the thing, actually sometimes life doesn't go according to us, right? So same thing happened with me. I realized things were not in my hand, and I learned many a thing also from that moment, from that thing. And today I'm recording my video here. See what I shared with you people. If you want to speak this language, treat this language as a language, first thing, okay. Second thing is start listening. If you want to speak this language fluently, and start reading, start talking to people, because practice is key to speak this language or to learn anything, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video, and my video is a little bit helpful for you. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.